I'm Kathleen Hansen, and you found my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. Today, we're going to do a vocal warm-up and a vocal workout for singers. These exercises build strength, agility, and coordination, and some of them can be rather vigorous. If you want a little bit more of a gentle warm-up first, check out one of my gentle and relaxing warm-ups, and then come on back. Please feel free to switch octaves as needed. I will list the exercises in the comments. Go ahead and check in with your alignment and take a couple of relaxed breaths. We want to make sure to stay relaxed as we are able through this vocal workout. Let's start with a semi-occluded. For this, work on keeping the neck and jaw relaxed while allowing the air to be energetic. Here we go. This next exercise works breath onset and coordination. We're going to sing on E, like E, 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 E. Really working for an assertive and exact onset. Here we go. E, 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 E. E, 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 Nice job. Before we go on to our next exercise, just a quick reminder that my Vocal Warmups mobile app is now available in the app and Google Play stores, Vocal Warmups with Kathleen. I hope you'll check that out. I'm really happy with where it landed, and more playlists and features are added regularly, so it will just keep getting better and better. I love this next vocal exercise for efficiency and strength moving throughout the range. We can sing Here we go. to sing a more extended phrase now on the sounds mi, me, ma. Let's sing mi, me, ma. Keep that focus on the breath. Here we go. Mi, me, ma. To the idea of connecting in and hooking into the breath as we sing on ha mama. It sounds like this. And go. Now we're going to sing on an extended he-ah, like he-ah, 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 he. There are 6 rounds of he-ahs before we go to the final E. Here we go. He-ah, 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 he. He-ah, 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 he. Great job. This next exercise will help us find a balance between relaxation and engagement. We're going to sing on ya ya ya, like ya 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 ya. Monitor your neck, your jaw, and your tongue for tension. Here we go. Ya 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 ya. Ya 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 ya. Ya 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 ya. we'll do an exercise for strength and coordination. We're going to sing on Z, E, A, like Z, E, A, A, A. Here we go. Z, E, A, A, A. 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 Z, This next vocal exercise works on flexibility and efficiency. Let's sing Z-o-ma, 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 zoom, zoom, zoom. Here we go. Z-o-ma, 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 zoom, zoom, zoom. 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 Let's sing that one on g, 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 like g, 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 g. Make sure you stay aligned and get rid of any excess tension. Here we go. G, 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 g. Relax downward now on fa E, like fa I I I and go fa I I I fa I I I fa I I I fa I I Now let's sing on a major triad arpeggio on V. We can sing V and go V, V, And let's side down again. For this last exercise, let's sing on an octave Z arpeggio like Z. Keep it smooth and driven by air. Here we go. Z. Thank you so much for singing with me today. Don't forget to check out the information about my app below, and I will see you next time.